I don't wanna wait for this sound check to be over. I want to record right now and just live stream.
I don't want to wait for this check to be over. Oh, yeah, that's better.
There she is.
Oh, there you are, Peter.
And Scott's quieter already. Do, 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 do.
I'm just a small town girl in love with the boy next door. But the boy next door
is in love with the refrigerator.
Just a boy in a fridge.
Still a boy in a fridge.
A boy and a fridge. I don't want to wait for that fridge to be over. I want to know right now
what's in that fridge that makes that boy love him.
I don't want to wait for that fridge to be over. I want to know right now
what's in that fridge.
I heard it's 2 containers of noodles from the past week and a half of pizza he's been waiting to eat.
I heard it's Chobani full of probiotics and also muscle milk in various flavors.
I don't want to wait for that fridge to be over. I want to know right now
what's in that fridge.
I don't want to wait for that fridge to be over. I want to know right now what's in that fridge.
Makes that boy love him.
What's in the fridge?
As Nicolas Cage screamed, what's in the fridge?